And welcome back to the Market Wolf. I am the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case. In my opinion, I have to be fast and I'm under the gun. Got thunderstorms coming in, possible tornadoes. Got to be careful. Got to keep an eye out to the sky. Gonna get this cut, get it out. So, real quick review. And if you're a bear, you got to stick around. I'm doing the bull case first tonight, and this is very important. This is a all helms on deck warning for everybody. Okay. So first of all, we had a combination of my case play out today, right? From yesterday. Go check that out yesterday if you don't understand. Remember, I said that my case, which is this purple case right here, I moved that up there and I said this was also possible. We could still see that happen. We'll have to wait and see. I want to start with the bull case. This is super important. Going to come now. You know why we're getting into a bull case here, right? We're building some structure. We're coming up. We're on a cup and handle right now. Volume. We'll talk about that later, but I just want to make this bull case very quickly, okay? So the structure is good for the bull case. It could be putting in, if you look at this, in a certain way, we could be, especially if you come out to the 2 hour. It looks like we might be putting in a W reversal, so that is going to be something to be paying attention to. And I want to bring you out to, let's see, right here will be fine. Okay, pay attention. There's a lot of noise on this chart. I will publish my charts. I've put up a new fib circle to give us some more information here. I'm going to go over more of that in just a moment, but you take a look here. We are in a descending wedge, and we are very close to nearing the end of this descending wedge. This can break up or break down. Typically, these break out bullish. The fact that this is the daily we're looking at right now. Let me see if I can bring us to the 2 hour. We are on the 2 hour here. The fact that we are trying to possibly put in a W reversal here of sorts on top of also, the fact we're in this descending channel, that's interesting. Bull case. I think if you get volume for the bull case, you can ride up this purple fib line. I found this earlier. This is what we're on right now. You could ride the outside or even the inside of this purple fib line. If you get top side of it, you could complete a higher cup. I think the most bullish you could possibly be is to get to the top of this channel right up here and start to put on a handle, and then then from there we'd have to see if that takes us out of our wedge or not, and if that pattern essentially ends at that point. That's something we need to take a look at. And would it? Yes, it would. It would take us well outside of our wedge, right? If we came, well, mostly outside of it. So then we could see a rejection there, spill out and fall back in. So we could go bullish and then have a W reversal, but that all depends on volume. But this is, everybody, my wolf pack, pay attention. You wolf pack that have been bears for a while now. I know some of you are in these positions. You're buying in, you're expecting this to drop, and look, it still could. Let me get to the bear case on that right now. Let's go to 30 minutes. So on the 30 minute, you're going to see, that's the daily. On the 30 minute, I want you to understand that we are, look, volume, not great. On the handle, it was starting to look a little better, but overall, volume, not great at all, okay? We are in a retrace. We are hitting that 50% level on the Fibonacci retrace. Usually you can get a bounce from there as buyers come back in, or you'll get a rejection. It's something we're going to have to watch and see. Do we spill out or not? When we spill out, do we bounce off this fib line down here? I suspect that's as far as we can go for now. Although if we do have a black swan event, we continue our fall. Hey, definitely possible. Okay, so right now what the bears need to see is this continuing lack of volume, and we know that this cup and handle will then spill out and fail. This W reversal will fail. If it falls through this descending triangle, and it really breaks through it, and we start building down here and we don't break back up in, we know, hey, that's it. We've broken through this pattern and we broke to the downside. So those are the things you're looking for. That's all I'm going to tell you for now. There's more to look at. We could talk about price, where it's at, all that stuff, but those are the basics. This has been the Market Wolf. I gave you your bear case, bull case. Hit that like button. Subscribe. I will see you next time on the Market Wolf.